Assalamualaikum. So the topic which I have choose today to discuss is a system software. Computer is master software. So before knowing about a system software, we should firstly know what is a software. Softwares are the instructions that tell a computer what to do and how to do. Software comprises the entire set of a program, procedure, and routines association with the operation of a computer system. There are basically two types of a software, the application software and the system software, but I am discussing the system software here. System software is a master software that controls the computer hardware and provides the interface to run other softwares like Windows Mac and Android iOS. It allows us to link with the hardware and also allow us to do the work which are we desire to do, like documents making, videos making, calculating, etc. It also handles the technical details as well. System software is not a single program, but it is a collection of a program that handles hundreds of technical details. There are basically four parts of a system software. One is the operating system. An operating system, which is usually written as OS in short form, is a software that acts as interference between computer's hardware component and the user. Every computer must have at least one computer system operating system to run other programs. Applications like Mac Windows, MS Word, MS Office, Notepad, games, etc. cannot start without an operating system. They need a medium in which they start, and the operating system is their environment. So the OS helps us to communicate also with the computer without knowing its language, and in return the computer also communicates with us. There are many features of an operating software like protecting and supervisor mode, program execution, error detecting and handling, etc. File management, process management, I/O device management, network management, secondary storage management, secondary management are all the components of system software, operating software. There are many advantages of an operating software that it allow us to do and perform our work which I would desire to do, like videos making, calculating, etc. It also allows us to hide details of a hardware by creating an abstraction, and it is easy to use with a GUI. It also provides the computer's system resources with the easy to use format. But with an advantages, there are also many some disadvantages of an operating system. If any issue occurs in an OS, you may lose all the content which you have been stored in your system. It never ensure as a threat can occur at any time. Operating system software isn't quite expensive for all small size organizations, which can add burden on them. Examples like Windows. So the second part is utilities. Utility is basically software. It is a type of a software designed to help to analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It is used to support the computer's infrastructure. This software normally consists of small programs which are thought of as a part of an operating system, as they often come built in within OS. Many things like antivirus software, backup software, clipboard, etc. are all part of computer utilities. So let's have a look on an antivirus in detail. Antivirus is a something which is against the virus, as virus mean all that malware that affect our computer, that affect our data stored in the computer, and anti mean opposite. So antivirus is also called as an anti-malware. It is a computer program used to prevent, detect, and remove malware. We can easily detect the computer's malware with the help of an antivirus, and it can also help us to remove that software or that virus. It also provides us many advantages that we can remove that software and free up our space, detect the unwanted file, and it is possible to bring all the fragments at one location and rise efficiency of working. But with the advantages, there are also some disadvantages. Like too many utility programs can eat up the memory and the RAM will slow down your computer's PC generally. Software utilities are not free, but they are costly. And there is a way of hacking in the antivirus. Some antivirus are also called as antivirus, but in real they are not antivirus. They are the virus that are created by the hackers to hack our programs. So they have a huge disadvantage in this case. So the third thing is the device drivers. Drivers is something that is used to run the other things or programs. So a device driver is a program that lets the operating system communicate with the specific computer hardware and allow communication between the devices and the rest of the physical system. Computers needs the device drivers to perform its work in a good way and good manner. There are many things like modems, computer printers, graphic cards that need computer drivers, but in return there are many other things like processors, RAMs, mouse and keyboard which does not need any drivers to start or to perform their work. There are many advantages of device driver as well, that we can help it can help us to perform our task in a better way, and it can handle all the technical details in a better way and provide us a medium to perform our work easily. But with the advantages, there are some disadvantages also. If some information gets wrong put in the device in the database, they can lead to the wrong device drivers being downloaded and installed, leaving you with the devices that don't work as they should. So let's have a look at the importance of device driver. Device drivers are also many important. There are many things like Bluetooth which help us enable us to communicate with the other operating system or other system without connecting with them. So there are many importance of the device drivers. The fourth point is a language translator. Translator means something that translates one language into other. So a translator is a program that converts source code into objective code. Generally, there are three types of translator. One is the compiler, which is used to design to translate source code into objective code. Second is interpreter, designed to translate high-level language into machine language program. And third is assembler, also designed to translate high-level language into machine language, but due to the instructions, just the instructions that is given to it at a time. There are many advantages of a language translator. When time is a crucial factor, machine translator can save the day. It can help to translate, as we know that there is something, a letter written in a different language, and we have to communicate with this letter and we have to read what is written in this letter. So we will take a help of a language translator. We will give that written form to the language translator, and in return the language translator will translate it into our language. This is a basically major advantage. But with this advantage, there is also a disadvantage, that it can only translate word to word, not a paragraph to paragraph or sentence to sentence. So the meaning of a sentence also changes. We don't know what is written in that letter by according to the paragraphs. We can know what is written according to the word by word, but we don't know what is written by paragraph. So this is the disadvantage of the language translator. Let's have a look between the difference between the system software and the application software. System software are designed to manage the resources of the system like memory and processor management, security, etc. But the application software, on the other hand, are designed to fulfill the requirements of the user for performing specific tasks. The system software is written in a low-level language like machine or other language, but an application software is written in a high-level language. The system software is capable of running independently, but an application software cannot run independently. There are some advantages of a system software, that there are two types of advantages of system software. First is tactical benefits and the other is static benefits. There are many people which are working collectively in the form of groups, and they need their abilities to perform and to earn profit. So the tactic benefits are that are type of benefits that help them to get an advantage. And if we know that there are many versions like MS Word which are in 1999 and MS Word in 2016. So static benefits are related to their benefits that are based on improvement. For example, the MS Word in 2016 has an improved feature as compared to the MS Word in 1999. So let's have the conclusion what we have studied today. System software provides us a various facilities to link with the hardware and to perform our work in a better ways like document making, videos making, photos making, etc. and to communicate with all the components of a computer. And by communicating with the computer, this makes our work easy, better, and advanced. But many harmful factors like hacking, malwares, etc., can also affect our working. This is an overlook of a Microsoft Office, AVGs, Windows 7, Windows X, etc.